Hola amigos! Welcome back to your Spanish number journey with Enfresp languages. If you've already mastered 0 to 10 in Spanish, bien hecho. Let's take it to the next level. Today we're diving into the numbers 11 to 15. These ones are special and you'll use them all the time in everyday Spanish. Let's jump in. Vamos!
Once.
Number 11 in Spanish is
Once.
That's spelled O-N-C-E and pronounced once. Remember, a C before an E or an I makes a th sound. So 11 is once. Let's hear it again.
Once. Doce.
12 is
Doce.
spelled D-O-C-E. The O makes a really short sound here, and the C is making the th sound again. So it's pronounced doce. Let's hear 12 again.
Doce. Trece.
13 in Spanish is,
Trece.
which is spelled T-R-E-C-E. The first syllable is quite short, and again, remember that C followed by E or I makes a th sound in European Spanish. So 13 is pronounced trece. Let's hear it again.
Trece. Catorce.
14 is
Catorce.
spelled C-A-T-O-R-C-E. Now you'll notice there are two C's here. The first C is not followed by an E or I, so it makes a hard k sound. But the second C is, so it makes a soft th sound. Cat or thay. The stress in this word falls in the middle syllable, catorce. Let's hear 14 again.
Catorce. Quince.
And finally, for today, 15 is
Quince.
spelled Q-U-I-N-C-E. Now, in English, Q-U makes a qu sound, but in Spanish, U after Q is not heard, so this is pronounced quince. Let's hear 15 once more.
Quince.
Nice work. You just learned numbers 11 to 15 in Spanish, and you sound great doing it. Want to keep going? Next up, 16 to 29, when things get a little fancy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a number.